Alright, welcome again. This is the Military Guna TV. I want to say thank you very much for joining me. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate all those who took the time out to subscribe to this channel and tune in for my content. I really love the fact that you pay so much attention to my work, and I do appreciate it, and at some point in time I will reward you guys for the hard work that you've put in. And as I can say, is just turn on those notification bells and you'll continue to get good content, real good content from me, and I will not stop giving you good content. I've been on the road from morning, but I finally got the opportunity to do a vid, and I will definitely give you one. Now, so we have seen things, many things have been spoken about Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang over the social media platform, especially Twitter. And Twitter is a social media platform where rumors spring by the minute. There's always something trending by the minute, and when it goes trending, it normally blows way out of proportion. It normally blows way out of proportion. But at this point in time, I want to say thank you very much again. Listen now, we know for a fact that Mikel Arteta does not rate Nicolas Pepe. We know that. But does that change the fact that Nicolas Pepe has a bit of quality in him that he can produce? And if you should check the statistics at this moment, Nicolas Pepe has the highest goal conversion rate, or let me not say that. Nicolas Pepe has the highest goal contribution at the club at the moment. And what does that say? That speaks of value. That speaks of someone who's performing in a team that is very much underperforming. We have to give him the respect. Now, the Prince Charming that we are, all Arsenal fans, are so in love with and so in depth to, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang is not giving me value for money. Since he has signed that contract, I can testify to it that since he has signed that contract, we haven't got anything. We haven't got any reward for the money that we have put inside his pocket. And at this point in time, we're feeling it. As a club, we're feeling it, definitely feeling it. But I want to say, words are coming out that Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang wants to leave. And if he wants to leave, you can go. This is Arsenal Football Club. If he wants to leave, you can go. This is Arsenal Football Club. And initially I wanted to keep him. Yes, I wanted to keep him because last season his goal output was excellent. But guess what? By time goes by, day by day, is making a massive decline, and we cannot disagree against that. He's making a massive decline. So at this point in time, I want to say, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, fix up. This is time in which you have to fix up. These stories that are leaking are not good, and they don't sit well with the club. They don't sit well also with the manager. Nicolas Pepe, we know for a fact that the manager does not rate you, but day in, day out, you put in a lot of work, you try your best, and I have to give you a optimum respect for that. You've put in the work and you've tried your best. We have fans that have seen that you are better than many players that are being played. And what is happening? It's not going as though we expected it to go. But we'll stay patient and work with what we have. But the words that are going around are not good, and I don't appreciate it as an Arsenal fan. And you have Arsenal media personnel who are latching onto it, grabbing at it, and trying to make it escalate as far as possible. And it don't look good. Honestly, it does not look good. Fix up Arsenal Football Club. Fix up Mikel Arteta. Fix up Nicolas Pepe. Fix up Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, and let's see Arsenal Football Club taking a stand and getting back to where we want to be. This is Military Guna. Before you go, please like, share and subscribe. And remember, you see the soldier down there? Do as he says. Wear a mask. MGTV. I am out.